Hi there, Roger Connect, President, Universal Accounting Center. I can basically tell you've seen that I've got new friends here. So one of the things that I want to emphasize at the ranch is that you have an opportunity to not only get back to the basics, but enjoy the natural life. There are a lot of animals here that you're able to enjoy. We've got two Clydesdales just right over my shoulder. They just want to get into the camera here, and I don't blame them. So one of the things that I want you to do is look forward to kind of step back to the basics. And as you attend the conference, come out here and relax, get away, retreat. And as you do so, let's work on you, the business, and see what we can do to actually ensure that 2021 is going to in fact be the best year ever. Not only do we have these amazing animals here, but if you pay close attention, you'll see basically right over my shoulder there, near my forehead, you actually have off in the distance a number of great animals. These are natural. They're basically out here just doing their thing, and you get to actually see the natural wildlife. Those deer there are just there for the watching, and it's just beautiful. So come out, join me here at the ranch and these amazing accommodations, because what you're going to experience is not just these animals, but off there in the distance, you can see the lodge that we'll be staying or meeting at. The lodge itself is an amazing facility with all the amenities that you would expect. This is just 30 minutes from your hotel, and in doing so, we're going to spend 2 days working on your business to ensure that 2021 is in fact the best experience you can expect. So with that in mind, always remember this: accounting success is universal. Take care, have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.